Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel CodeMate Mastery. In this video, let us see some important tips to pass the CPC exam. To pass the CPC exam, we need smart strategy, not just hard study. We must focus on the guideline and we have to build a weekly timetable that rotates CPT sections with IC-DATE NCM, HCPCS and mock exams. So let us see the first step, that is master the guidelines first. AAPC emphasizes that knowing guidelines is more important than memorizing codes. You have to read ICD, CPT and HCPCS guidelines weekly. Highlight and tab important rules such as global period modifiers, sequencing fracture care, and ENM rules. Second tip is to practice under real exam timing. The CPC exam is long and time pressure is real. So we have to do timed practice exams. Aim for 2 minutes per question on average. We have to skip long operative reports first and come back later. Third tip is to use a smart question solving strategy. Start with ENM, radiology, laboratory and pathology. Next, save surgery series for later. For long case studies, read the question first, then skim the operative note for key terms. Next step is to tab and annotate your books. APC allows tabbing and it's one of the strongest tips from certified coders. You can add notes for modifiers, fracture care rules, excision versus destruction, laceration repair hierarchy, ENM MDM table, and for vaccination. Next, APC stresses reviewing why answers are right or wrong. That is, you have to build a mistake notebook to track where you're making mistakes and track patterns such as modifiers, sequencing, anatomy gaps. If you want a complete CPC study plan, make sure to check out the video link in the description. I hope these insights make you prepare a little clearer and a lot more strategic. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.